Guys, my name is Kostas Lazanas. I am the owner and head chef of Opa Greek Taverna. If it's your first time here watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below, and we will see you guys in the next video. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Thursday morning around 5:30. Normal routine for me is get up and we're about to go cook breakfast for the Rowlett Chamber of Commerce. So got my Lucky Jack nitro coffee with espresso. Anyway, hey, let's go get this thing done. Cook some breakfast. I'm gonna throw on a little south of the border Mexican taco chorizo thing on them today. So for all you Greeks out there watching me, just remember, I'm the Greek redneck. We're in Texas. Mexico's just south of us, so a little Greek Tex-Mex going on here. But anyway, maybe I'll throw some feta cheese in there just to make sure that's just a little Greek. Anyway, let's get it done, guys. Alright guys, we made it to the restaurant. It's just right at 6 o'clock, so I have about 2 hours to prep some breakfast for about 50-60 people this morning for the Rowlett Chamber Make a Connection. It's actually my favorite morning of the week. Get to see so many awesome people, so many great friends. So let's get this cooking started, shall we? Alright, so I'm here with Mama Carol at Make a Connection.
At the Make a Connection, Rowlett Chamber's weekly networking event at Open Greek Taverna.
Thanks for letting me host it. I've been hosting it for like 2 years now, right?
This is your third year.
Third year, all right.
How about that? Time goes fast when you're having fun.
Let's see on camera. There might be a fourth year, you think?
I don't know. They haven't told me.
Oh no, oh no. I see if I can get it out of her. So why is it so important to join the chamber again? I know you told me in the past, but tell me one more time.
Well, I mean, it's very, very important to do business, to, support business where you do business. So if you do business in Rowlett or you want to do business in Rowlett, supporting the business community through the chamber is a really, really good idea.
Well, I've gotten a lot of business out of it, and I've done a lot of business with other business owners, so I am a big fan of the Chamber of Commerce.
You have learned how it works.
Well, high five on that, boom, I saw that hand up.
Hey, what's your name? What do you do, man?
My name's Randy Herman. I own Delta Disaster Recovery.
Look at that blue wall over there. You see that blue wall?
Oh, that blue wall is awesome.
Right over there.
It's nice and blue.
Who painted that wall?
Your Next Painter painted that wall. At yournextpainter.com.
See, that was awesome, man. Have a good breakfast, all right?
All right, thanks, Kostas.
Kostas, how are you?
Do you remember our cooking show we did like a year ago,
I do
2
remember
years
the
ago?
cooking show.
Can you believe that was crazy, right?
Well, it was wonderful. Matter of fact, folks, we are here in one of the best restaurants.
Oh,
in the
he's
city
starting
No,
again
serious.
now. Uh-oh.
No, he
Here he
didn't pan
starts.
around this place. If you've ever been to Opa, it is the best restaurant. I'll tell you what. It is the food's amazing. The service is amazing.
They heard that already.
The chef is amazing.
Well, hey, my favorite mayor of Rowlett, when we opened up the restaurant, he was there for me from the very beginning. And right now, you're involved in the market now, right? Investing and stuff like that?
I have an investment advisory company called Lone Star Wealth Advisors, and we specialize in stuff that's outside the market. We're not anti-stock, we really just do a lot of things that are outside the market.
Okay, cool, yeah. So where can people check you out and check out the business that you started?
They can, of course, go to our website or just give me a call at 972-415-1011. It's probably the easiest way just to get a hold of me.
This guy will take care of you. He's taking care of our city, and he'll take care of your investment. So thanks, Todd.
Thanks, Opa.
Good to see you, boss.
Thanks. Opa!
I can still see your eyes holding in thoughts that you don't want to slip out. And you make me feel
And just like that, another successful make connection. By the way, this was some great stuff right here. Lucky Jack's triple black nitro cold brew coffee with some added espresso in there. Just give it a little extra oomph. So that's what we do. This is what it's all about. This is entrepreneurial life. The work, the grind, the hustle. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Cheers.